Built for everyday living and designed with entertainment in mind, this spectacular expanded ranch enjoys an expansive property and prime cul-de-sac location. Too many updates to list. Features include a newly expanded second floor with bedroom and sitting area, loads of extra living square feet with a fully renovated walkout lower level offering a second kitchen, full bath, laundry room, fifth bedroom, plus office exercise room. Additional updates: stone-faced exterior, flooring, driveway, patio, walkway, roof and industrial gutters, doors, sewer, electric panels, water heater, garage doors, pool pump and heater, gas fireplace, AC system, professional landscaping. Full list of recent upgrades in media section. Entertainer's dream, amazing in-ground pool spa with Tennessee orchard stone surround, lovely patio and expansive 270 inches deep lot. Call Jeffrey and Patrice Latimer of Latimer Realty at 973-768-2942.